In this video, we listed the 5 best camping tables that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Kitchen Table. The Slimfold Cook Station by GCI Outdoor is a modern, portable kitchen designed to enhance outdoor experiences such as camping, tailgating, and picnics. Measuring 52-inch DX21 WX32H when fully opened, this versatile setup features durable aluminum and alloy steel materials, supports a maximum weight of 48 pounds on the main table, and includes fold-out side tables for additional storage, along with built-in hooks for utensils and trash bags. Weighing just 18.9 pounds, it is easy to transport thanks to its slim fold technology, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly. The cook station is designed for safe use with camp stoves on its heat-resistant aluminum top, making it an all-in-one station that combines convenience and functionality for any outdoor cooking or preparation activity. Number 2. Ablazer Camping Table. The Ablazer Camping Table is a versatile and durable outdoor accessory designed for various recreational activities such as camping, picnicking, and beach outings. Measuring 50.39 inches in depth and 21.65 inches in width, this adjustable height table offers 3 height options: 22.8, 27.5, and 31.5 inches, making it suitable for dining, cooking, or playing games. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, it is both rust-free and corrosion-resistant, with a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds, ensuring stability and reliability. Weighing only 14 pounds, it features easy assembly and disassembly, along with convenient storage options, including a mesh bag and an external bag for transport. Built to withstand various weather conditions, the Ablazer Camping Table promises long-lasting performance, making it an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Ever Advanced Camping Table. The Ever Advanced Camping Table is a sturdy and portable option for cooking and dining, designed with a lightweight aluminum tabletop and a robust steel frame that supports up to 110 pounds. Measuring 45.9 inches in length, 29.1 inches in width, and 29.1 inches in height when opened, it folds down to a compact size of 28.0 inches by 7.9 inches by 5.4 inches for easy storage and transport, weighing just 17.9 pounds. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no more than a minute to set up the pop-up legs and secure the roll top to the steel base. The table comes with a durable carry-in bag for convenient transport and additional storage, and it is backed by a 12-month after-sales service for added peace of mind. This versatile table is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and easy-to-use solution for their dining needs. Number 4. KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table. This camping table offers a versatile and practical solution for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring 3 adjustable heights of 17.7 inches, 20.5 inches, and 25.6 inches to accommodate various needs. Crafted from thick, natural bamboo, the tabletop measures 25.6 by 19.6 inches and boasts a waterproof and scratch-resistant coating, ensuring durability and longevity. Weighing only 9.26 pounds, the ultralight aluminum frame is resistant to rust and enhances portability, making it ideal for camping. Designed for stability, it supports up to 176 pounds, suitable for 1 to 2 users, and its square aluminum tube structure further increases weight capacity. The table's fold design allows for quick tool-free setup and easy storage, enabling seamless transport like a suitcase while fitting into most car trunks, perfect for any camping adventure. Number 5. AlphaCamp Folding Table. The AlphaCamp Portable Camping Table is a versatile and practical solution for outdoor dining, featuring adjustable heights of 29.52 inch and 37.40 to ensure stability on various surfaces such as grass and sand. Measuring 21.65 inch DX 46.46, WX 37.8 H when set up, this sturdy table is crafted from durable aluminum, boasting waterproof, rust-resistant, and scratch-resistant properties for optimal outdoor performance. It includes a spacious detachable mesh basket for easy storage of snacks, beverages, and kitchen tools, and can comfortably accommodate gatherings of 4 to 6 people. The folding design allows for effortless setup and transport, collapsing down to a compact size of 7.1 foot, LX 5.1, WX 35.4 H, ideal for a variety of activities including picnics, camping, barbecues, and more. The KingCamp table also comes with 24/7 professional after-sales service for customer support.